Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another episode of my Tested series. Today, friends, we have got the Kimafun wireless microphone set. So let's get cracking.
Alrighty, friends, so let's see what's in the box. First thing is this comes in a sweet pouch so that everything gets stored. We've got two headsets,
a pair of transmitters, and a receiver.
Charging cable. Nice thing about it is it charges all three from one plug.
Windscreens and a plug for a 6.35mm jack.
Lav mic. A second lav mic. The USB connector for using it on a PC. The phone connector that allows us to connect to our phone, have a headphone so we can hear, and also you plug in the receiver, and a pair of belt clips. Alright friends, so now that I've got it all out, I'm going to get these guys charging so we can see how they work. Alright friends, so the first thing I'm noticing is that I love that it's one cable to charge all three. As you can tell, there is a red light that shows it's charging, and I'll keep looking for when it turns blue so I know it's done.
Alrighty friends, so they are all charged up, and I'm going to say once again, I love that this is one cable to charge all three. Now let me show you how to connect them up, and let's see what we get.
Alright friends, so the first step is to find that phone connector and plug it into your phone like that. Alright friends, so the next step is to take our receiver, plug it in. I'm going to turn it on even though it's going to take me a second. And with that turned on, let's connect up our transmitter to the mic. And connect the microphone just like that. And now let's attach our belt clip. Notice when you squeeze this, which end is the bottom. That way it makes it easier to figure out how to slide it on. So it slides up just like that, and it's ready to be attached to the belt. I'm going to turn this one on. You can notice it just started blinking green, and then when it connects, you'll see that it goes solid just like that. These are your volume up and volume down buttons. Alright, so real quickly, I'm going to switch to video on that camera. Note I've got this plugged in. We've got the green line that is connected. Alrighty friends, and so with that all connected, now when we hit video, it says recording audio through the headset. If you ever don't see that, you probably don't have this pushed all the way in. Alrighty friends, so this is an awesome test of the microphones. Right now there is a ton of construction going on outside, so we've got the beeping of vehicles backing up, we've got things clanging and banging, so we'll be able to see if any of those are showing up in the recording. On cue, there's a kaboom. Switching from the lav mics to the headset mic is as easy as unplugging and plugging in the other microphone, and boom, you're back in business. Now, the one thing I really like about these headphone microphones is as I was working, no matter which way I'm looking, you get the same audio quality. Sometimes when I'm working with the other microphone, when it's a lav, as I bend down, you get more volume or less volume when I turn away. This is awesome for when I'm creating tutorials or teaching a classroom because my voice is the same no matter where I put my head. Alrighty friends, so now it's time to do a dual microphone test. We've got two mics. I don't have a partner. If you've watched my channel at all, it is just me. But what we're going to do is I'm going to use my remote control car. I've got the lapel mic on that car. Let's drive over to a phone that's playing one of my videos and see if we can pick up some audio. To the shape, it's easier. Alright, so we're by the car, so now we've got my voice and we've got that voice. It'll be interesting to see how the levels work together. Now I'm going to let that mic just go by itself for a second. I hold shift and I do a line. And now I'll bring it to the editor and let's see what we get. So that was probably the craziest test ever where I drove the car over, but I was blown away by the clarity that the microphone picked up while I was playing from one of my phones. I think it was actually probably more clear, or I had the volume levels set better in that setting than I actually had in the personal setting. Now at the moment I am recording on my PC using Camtasia and my Yeti. Let's switch it up and use the USB audio device that comes with the Kimafun. My friends, we are going to switch over to the USB adapter though. Let me plug this in right here and then watch the driver install almost instantly. You can see it shows up just down on the bottom.
So now I'm going to stop my recording, and we'll switch so it's recording with this so we can see the difference between the expensive Yeti and the sweet wireless headphones.
Friends, as you can see, I'm now on the Amazon site, and you can see the Kimafun wireless microphone set. Friends, you can tell here I got the green light connected. I can't really stretch that cable out to show you, but now we are recording using the sweet wireless microphones as I'm showing you a web page using Camtasia. Of course, let's run through the specs. Once again, you get 2 lav mics, you get the headset mic, you get 2 transmitters, and you get a receiver. As we saw, you can get 2 streams at once. It has an adapter also, the 6.35mm adapter that you can plug into a larger speaker amp or maybe a karaoke machine. Each one of the transmitters has its own volume up and volume down. You've also got the power switch. And don't forget, it's got that awesome charging cable where you can charge all of them off one, which is really awesome. I am also a huge fan of it coming with a case. Being able to have this in my car so I've always got everything ready is fantastic. A point of emphasis is that it is not suitable for Bluetooth speakers with less than 15 watts of power. And with all the adapters, look at all the cool things you can plug it into. If you're attaching it to a camera, you can just plug it straight in. If you're using a smartphone, you do have to use that splitter, which is also awesome because the second part of the splitter can let you check your audio as you're recording. You can use it with your iPhone, but you have to have the Apple Lightning to 3.5mm connector that is not included. And as you saw at the start of this, you can plug it in and use them with a PC in an instant. Drivers just pop up in Windows 10 and boom, I was recording. I totally dig these, and of course if you're looking for them, I will have a link in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed before, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.